Introducing Big Mama. So this is the largest size of boob tape that I actually have, and it's definitely big breast approved. I'm an H and it's curvy girl approved, okay? So no more having to cut up a million strips. You can just use a few strips. So in this video, I only use 3 strips per breast, and I was holding up 2 because I'm like, yeah, it's only the second strip I had to cut, but really I used 3. So I only used 3 strips of tape. That's all I needed, and I am a size H. So I'm showing you guys you need to pull it off slowly. The name of the game too is definitely to get a lift. So if you see me, I'm actually gonna hold my boob up, hold it up just like that, go underneath and pull. You trying to pull it up. That's the name of the game, so you can get a lift. And yes, I'm going for an open shirt look today. So I got this shirt from Shein, and I'm just gonna button it up, and then I'm gonna tie it to give myself like just a sexy grown casual look. And yeah, pop that button open, and baby, you secure. The girls ain't going nowhere, and I'm feeling myself. Oh, look at me, slow-mo. Don't play with it. Order your boob tape today.